We are going to solve this equation first. What we have unknowns on the both sides, so this is something we need to be careful. So I want to rewrite the question here. 5x plus 12 is on the left hand side, and on the right I have x minus 4. First of all, we want to see the unknown x's together, so let's take away this x from right, and I need to do the exactly same thing to the left too. Now I created a 0 here, right? And on the left I have 5x minus x, 4x plus 12. On the right I only have negative 4. Alright, so remember, you're looking for x. We need to leave x alone. We need to isolate for x. I can get rid of this 12 by subtracting 12 from both sides. If you do that, you can get rid of this. This is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. On the left you only have 4x. Negative 4, negative 12 is negative 16. Now I want you to observe this multiplication. We can use inverse operation of multiplication, which is division, to solve this equation. And now x is lonely. X is negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. Next question. It's an inequality. I want to start with the distribution here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative x is negative 2x, less than or equal to negative 3x minus 2. Just like previous problem, I want to see variables x's together. So let's add 3x both sides. Let's add 3x both sides. If you do that, you can make a 0 here. You can get rid of this. On the right you only have negative 2. On the left you have 4, and negative 2x plus 3x is 4 plus x. Last step, you can isolate x by taking away 4's from both sides. Now this is 0. X is less than or equal to negative 6. This is the solution. Solve 5x minus 10y equals negative 44y. So you want to leave y alone. Let me rewrite the question here. 5x minus 10y is equal to negative 40. And since you are looking for y value here, you can take away 5x's from both sides. If you do that, you can kill these 5x's. Negative 10y is on the left. On the right you have negative 40 minus 5x. Last step. Remember, this is multiplication. You should divide everything by negative 10. You should divide everything by negative 10. So now y is alone. Y is, remember, negative divided by negative is positive. So you have positive 4 here. And negative divided by negative is going to be positive. So plus 1/2 x. Actually, if you want to write in mx plus b form, maybe this is a better writing. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. And if you prefer to write this, this is exactly the same as the other one. I think I can solve one more problem. Let's copy this. 2x plus 3 over 4. I see a proportion here. And I know you just want to make cross multiplication. But before that, I just want you to look at the problem critically. And if you actually multiply both sides by 4, you can really get rid of these denominators. So you only left with 2x plus 3 equals x. Let me rewrite the question now. Second step. A second step is this: 2x plus 3 equals x. I am, again, same problem. I see x's on the left and on the right. Let's take away x's from both sides. Now 2x minus x plus 3 on the left. On the right, I have nothing. Nothing is 0 in mathematics. Final step, I think we should take away 3 from both sides. Now, I created another 0 here. X equals negative 3.